Today, we will review our best Creative Studio replacement you can use absolutely for free. Are expensive subscription fees killing your creative budget? You don't need to break the bank. Here are the top 3 100% free Creative Studio replacements you need to try right now. First up, for video editing, ditch the costly alternatives and download DaVinci Resolve. The free version is so powerful that Hollywood colorists and editors actually use it for major motion pictures. You get incredible audio tools, advanced effects, and industry-standard color grading without spending a dime. Next, if you're into digital art or graphic design, look at Krita and Inkscape. Krita is an absolute beast for digital painting and animation, featuring a world-class brush engine. If you need vector graphics for logos or scalability, Inkscape is your go-to, fully featured, open-source powerhouse. Finally, for the multimedia creators, Blender is a completely free, open-source 3D creation suite. Pair that with Audacity, and your studio is complete. All of these tools are completely free with no hidden paywalls. Which one are you downloading first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tech tips.